hospitality, checkout is more than a goodbye. It's the final chance to leave a lasting impression. Watch as our front office team demonstrate accuracy, courtesy, and teamwork at its finest.
Perfect night tonight.
Mag-check out na, finally, natapos na din ang vacation ko. May sa wakas, natapos na din mag-hotbath. Hindi na to yung damit ko. Gagamitin ko na lang yung ginamit ko before. Pwede na to. Mabango naman ako always. Mag-makeup na. Ay, sarap talaga mag-cold shower. Ay, hindi ka talaga pagpapawisan sa hotel nila. Ang lamig. Kaya gusto ko naka-jacket. Ganda talaga ng room nila.
Good morning, Sir Chris. I hope you enjoy your stay with us. Are you checking out today?
Yes, I'll be checking out now.
May I have your room number, sir?
It's room number 608.
Thank you. I'll verify your room status. Good morning, housekeeping. Kindly confirm the status of room 608.
One moment, Ma'am Lizelle. Room 608 is clean and vacant. Ma'am, no items left behind.
Copy. Thank you, Mika. Sir Chris, here is your statement of account. Please review it.
Think all charges is correct?
Sir, how would you like to settle your balance? Cash, card, or online payment?
Online payment na lang. Bank transfer. Can I have your account? Just for a while. Here's the receipt.
I confirm your payment. Total is 3,500. All set. Here is your folio receipt.
Seems good, thank you. Wait, Miss Lizelle, I think I lost my key card.
No problem, sir. Did you check your pockets?
Yes, but it seems to be avoiding me. Maybe check out before I did. Yeah, paano kaya yun? Magbabayad ba ako ng iba sa key card?
Sir Chris, you're lucky. I'm an expert finding non-way key cards. Let me assist you.
It looks like your keycard enjoyed the stay a little too much.
Don't worry, sir. This happens all the time. You're all good.
kaya napunta yun? Siguro nasa lost and found. Hey! Ito pala. Paano kaya napunta yun doon?
Sir, would you like assistance with your luggage?
Yes, please.
I got you covered, sir. Let me bring your luggage safely to the cabin entrance.
Sir, please, thank you for choosing our hotel. We hope your stay was memorable.
It definitely was. Thank you for your excellent service.
We look forward to welcoming you again. Have a safe journey.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining.
From accuracy to courtesy, coordination to efficient, the front office team ensures every departure is just as exceptional as every arrival. This is what true hospitality looks like.